Hey there! After much exploration, I have cracked the code to adding keyframes to characters in CapCut. I am super excited to share this simple and handy technique with you all so you can effortlessly enhance your video editing skills. So let's dive in and unlock the potential of CapCut together. Open the CapCut app and import the video that you want. I am choosing the clip from CapCut Stock Videos. CapCut Stock Video Collection empowers your edits with professionally short clips. They have different categories. Okay, so I choose this clip. Tap on Add, slide the video along the timeline and choose the clip that we will edit. Once you are done, find the freeze option in the toolbar so the clip will freeze. Okay, so now the first step is done. Now move to the next one. Here you need to copy the freeze clip again. Tap on the copied clip and find the overlay option and now adjust just below the freeze clip, just like this. Okay, so now tap on overlay and here we will remove the background. So here you see the option cutout and click on remove background. Now the background is removed. Now go to cutout stroke. From here we will add an outline effect to our video. So I choose this second option here. You can choose different color from here, but I will go here with white. You can increase or decrease the outline here. So I just decrease it to 16. It's perfect. Now this is how it looks like. Okay, so now the next step is to add animation. Tap here on overlay and go to animation. Add fade in the start and fade out at the end of the video. This part is also done. Now we need to work on effects and keyframes. Here in toolbar, you see the option of effects. Go to effects. Here in video effects, you will see a lens category here. Go to lens and you will see the blur effect here. Choose this effect and match with your video. Once you are done, then add keyframes at the beginning and at the end. In the first keyframe, reduce the blur effect to 0. After a few frames, again add keyframe and increase the blur effect to 100. Okay, so now add the keyframe a few frames before the end and here you don't need to increase or decrease the blur effect. Next, add keyframe right at the end and decrease the blur effect to 0. Okay, now the next step is go to effects again and here in video effect you see the texture category. Find the dot silk screen effect and click on OK. Now again match it with your video. Tap on the dot silk screen and here you need to add keyframes at the beginning. Go to adjust and decrease the texture and filter to 0. Then after a few frames add a keyframe again and here we need to increase the texture and filter to 100. Now again we also need to add keyframes at the end. So add a keyframe a few frames before the end and let the texture and filter remain same here. And then add frame at the end and reduce the texture and filter to 0. Now let's see how this video looks like. So I'm just playing this video here and it looks like this. But hold on, the process not finished yet. Now tap on the overlay video and add a keyframe after a few frames and again with a little distance. And now here zoom the character a little and then add a keyframe a few frames before the end. And then add keyframe at the end and make the character zoom out. So this part is done. To enhance it more, let's add text template here. So select the clip where you want to add clip and then go to text and here you see the option text template. There are so many categories of text which is trending, social media, Spark and much more. But we are going here with a Spark. Double tap on the text so you can edit it. So I am just changing it to Tiggy Buddy and then place it where you want. And now here we need to add the sound to enhance it more. So simply go to sounds and search for electric discharge. And here you can choose any sound that matches your video. So it looks like this. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question or confusion, comment down below. I will respond to your questions and queries. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more interesting tutorials. Bye!